Hi guys, welcome back. I want to give a shout out to Jen, Saria Owens, Gucci Mademoiselle, and Hazel Swishes Sweet. Thank you guys for being the first four to comment on my last video. Welcome everybody to the video for today. I hope y'all are doing well. I have a set. I'm doing my daughter Femi Jr.'s nails. Finally, y'all. Oh my god. I don't know when is the last time I did Femi Jr.'s nails, y'all. It's been so long. The first thing I'm doing is curing some nails onto her nail beds. I made a whole video showing how I make her nail beds, because if you own the Red Iguana hand, you might notice that our nail beds are kind of different, and there's a reason for that, and I explain everything and show and demonstrate everything in that video, how I prepare this hand for application. So the tips I'm using are some straight, square, pinched C-curve tips. I don't really like them. I don't really care for them, but for some wild reason, I decided to use them. I just cured them on with some base coat gel and stuck her in the lamp. And now I'm using an acrylic that I got from Tones. I reviewed their acrylics in one of my recent videos. I'll link it in the card as well. This one is the one called Audacious, and it's kind of like a milky, it's not milky, it's kind of like a white, it's like a white pink. It's really interesting. It's really pretty. I love this color, and it's so smooth. It's so easy to work with. I'm using Young Nails Monomer and a super big brush I bought a long time ago, but I can recommend alpha brushes to you guys. If you're a beginner, you might want to try to start with like a size 8 or a size 10, maybe a size 12. My normal brush that I usually use is the size 12 oval alpha brush. But anyways, I'll have that all in the description box. I am an affiliate with Alpha Brush, by the way. So I just felt like doing a freestyle. I felt like doing a freestyle today. Like literally just like a glitter Valentine's freestyle. Like that's all I had in mind. There's so many glitters from NailHeavenSupplyStore that I want to play with. I unboxed a ton of glitters and I showed them in my chocolate drips nails video, where I just kind of went through everything I got from NailHeavenSupplyStore. You guys, you need to get on this glitter train, okay? There's so many super cute Valentine's glitters that they have, and I have a discount code. I didn't realize it, but I have a code for Tones as well for 10% off. Anyways, as you can see, I'm doing a negative space on that nail. It's pretty much like making a French. You're just building a shape. If you really want to, you can go in with a hand file and make it straight, but I just didn't feel like it. So this is like a solid nail. I'm gonna do the next nail solid as well, but one of these nails is gonna have some really pretty glitters, kind of like water falling, trailing down the nail. I used 3 different glitters today and they are so freaking cute. There's just something classic about that good old glitter freestyle. Do you guys know what I mean? I don't know, sometimes I get on my explore page and like I see all these texts doing the like most simplest looks, but they are so incredibly beautiful because they are simple. It's like that simple, stunning ombre, or like a solid color nail, or just some simple glitter placement. Like they're not trying to be groundbreaking, but the execution was just so well done. The shaping was so great, all that stuff. So that's kind of what I had in mind for today, but I still had to be a little bit extra. I did end up putting a decal on here. But yeah, since I'm only working on one hand, I don't have much to show, so the video is kind of close to real-time speed, a little bit sped up. But yeah, I don't have that much to say about the application today. If you are new to acrylic, I do have a video like called Acrylic for Beginners. So this is a French tip nail, and I'm creating a little bitty nail bed here and cleaning up all of the acrylic off the tip of the nail, because this is going to be like a glitter glass nail here. So I'm going to take this glitter called CareBears. It is so cute. It's so much cuter than I thought it was. It has flowers in it, 2 different shapes of hearts, sizes of hearts, and then it has like this multi-cut iridescent white glitter in there. So stunning. This one I think is called Heartbreaker or Heartbreak. Let me check. But it's a holographic heart, holographic pink heart. Oh my God, love it. And then the last one is some shoes. The shoes are called Hot Stuff, I think. Well, I don't know, you guys, but just everything will be in the description box. So I'm just filling in this negative space. This set was giving me so many good vibes, like Barbie vibes, like Y2K, early 2000 moment. Honestly, it was a very good vibe. Oh, there's some lips in here too, some like pink lips, but they're not that obvious, so you don't really see them too much, but they're there. And yeah, like I was listening to this one station on my Alexa. I don't pay for Amazon Music. If anyone has Alexa, maybe I'm making her go off right now by saying it over and over. I'm sorry if you have it. Okay, so like if anyone has that, I don't pay for like Amazon Music because I'm cheap and I just don't want to pay for it, I guess, because they're free stations. So I just told it like play Britney Spears because I just felt like listening to that for some reason, or that type of music. And it was about to play her greatest hits, but it wanted me to pay for that playlist. And I was like, no, thank you. And it gave me a similar one. And it was playing all these amazing songs that literally like blasted me back to my youth so hard, y'all. There were like all these obscure ass songs, like not these popular top 50 hits, like obscure songs. I don't even know the names of them. A lot of like Christina Aguilera was playing, and like Christina Milian, and like Owl City. There's this one Owl City song that played, and I was like dying on the inside because like me and my friends thought we were so cool listening to this song. Oh my God, it's so cringy looking back. But I love some of these like girly songs that are very girl power, diva. Oh my God. I was getting my entire life. It gave me so much amazing energy to get this set done, y'all. Wow. Highly recommend, highly recommend. I'm still new to like using Alexa, so I don't know if I can save that playlist or not. I wish I can. I'm probably gonna go write down all the songs because it was just like, I barely had to skip any of them. They were so good. It's funny how music kind of like changes you and like gives you good energy. Do you know what I mean? I guess I was just mentally not ready to start working yet. And I was like, Alexa, play motivational music. And she started playing like this country stuff. And I'm like, well, it's not that bad. So I was listening to that. And I think they played one random Britney Spears song or like some. And I was like, oh yeah, I want to hear that instead. So that's how I got started on that. It's so funny. But anyways, what are you guys listening to? What kind of music gets y'all going? I had this one friend who did the same thing as me, and she showed me the music she listens to. It was so funny, but I get it. It was like freaking MMO music. It sounded like she was about to go to war. It was literally like preparing her for battle or something. Like I was like, that actually slaps though, because it's actually like making me feel powerful AF, like I'm about to get a bunch of work done. It was just really funny. But yeah, like I need a cup of coffee, I need caffeine, you know, I need to be well caffeinated, I need to have eaten like on a full stomach, or else I'm just gonna be out of there. I feel like I'm not gonna get my best output of work if I'm not like mentally and emotionally good. I'm about to say Gucci, but good. Not that anyone cares. I'm honestly just rambling right now. So here I'm hand filing. So yeah, like let's talk about this hand for a second, because I feel like someone's gonna come for me because the shape of the nails is kind of like thick or whatever and wide. I kind of damaged this hand, and you might see it because I remember one of the nails had popped off while I was filming, so you might end up seeing it. And because it's damaged, the nail bed kind of widened because a lot of silicone was getting ripped off, and I had to like trim it back and stuff, so it kind of made the nail bed super duper wide. So now when I have to fit nails on here, I have to use like really big sizes, like number 3s and stuff to fit. So yeah, they just look real damn big, and I'm sorry about it, but it's kind of weird working on a fake hand. It's really not the same. It's like, I would say it's about 85% the same as working on a person, but it's kind of different too. I bet those trainer hands, the ones that are like, look like a mannequin and they kind of clip to your desk, I bet those are way better. Sometimes I want that. You know what I need so bad though, you guys? Someone needs to create a hand that has different sizes of nail beds, yo. Someone needs to do that, or I'm gonna do it. Like literally, I want a hand where I can have like, I can decide if I want to put like, okay, let's just imagine this, right? I'm e-filing, by the way, as you can see, taking down bulk and stuff, trying not to file through those glitters. Someone needs to make a hand where like the fingers or the nail beds are like interchangeable, and you can like pop them in and out or something. It might not look cute. It'd probably look like a ball jointed doll or something, like a mannequin, but the purpose of that is so you can have like different sizes of nail beds to work on. You can decide if you want to work on a fake hand that has like, you know, large size nail beds or small or medium, because they're all different. That way people that make press-on nails can do their sizing so much easier. Can you freaking imagine that? Who's gonna do this? Who's gonna do this? Because that's like $1 million idea. This is after filing. I washed the hands, so I forgot to mention, like, putting makeup on the hands is just not, it's not gonna work. Silicone and makeup, they just don't go together. So the makeup was like bunching up and coming off onto my nails, so I kind of washed it away. I just put these gold stickers on from Dailycharme.com. It's like an outline of a gold heart, and I had an arrow, so I just made an arrow going through the heart. And these are some letters from the Clou brand. I got these on Dailycharme too a long time ago. I don't know if they have them anymore, but that's where I got them. But I will have everything like in the description box, so you can like definitely search for whoever has them, you know, probably on Aliexpress. All of the glass nails, I'm going to top coat the underside. So what happened was I thought I was going to make the negative space nail matte, and then after it came out the lamp, I was like, no, I don't like that. So I made it shiny. And then the last thing I do is I put some stones around the cuticle. And the stone tool I'm using, the bling tool, is actually the Eno Couture one, and I like it so far. It's double-sided. It has like a pointy thing on the one side and a wax on the other side, and it has a cover so you can like cover it up, you know, and it's real pretty. That's what I'm using right here. It's like a cute little pink, hot pink wax. It's real nice. I like it. And I'm just doing the most basic stone placement. But yeah, this is the final result. She came out kind of cute, ain't she? Nice little cute freestyle, nice simple little freestyle with some little glass and glitter. Don't we live? Don't we love? Oh my god, y'all, these glitters are everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for listening to the video and watching the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. It helps my channel out so much. And if you're new, subscribe and click that notification bell. Make sure y'all's notifications are set to always notify so that you guys never miss any of my updates. And thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day or night. I'll see y'all in my next one. Thank you to my patrons. I love you. Bye.